So, hey, what's up, everybody? Well, Freddie had a little accident yesterday. He went after another dog, but when we were bringing him back in, he jumped out of my arms, landed funny, so now he's putting pressure down on his back paw today. But he's still favoring it a little bit. As you can see, he's limping just a little bit. And here come Miss Allie. She gonna bring all of her toys out. Yeah, I just want to drop a quick video. I'm just reminding everybody, this is going to start showing up in Disney blogs. Because we are 49 days away from vacation. And when the vacation begins, we're going to probably go to a Angel game, considering they suck this year. Go ahead and play with your Barbie dolls. Yeah?
And we're going to have play park. Yeah, we'll go to the park. Okay.
We're going to go to the park.